Hi, I'm Crystal, aka also known as a hard worker here at North Park Water. I'm also a Class A certified operator, and here at North Park Water we are dedicated in providing clean, safe drinking water to all of our customers. One way that we go about ensuring this is by taking bacteriological samples, not only at our wells but also in our distribution system. So today I'd like to talk to you about our distribution samples. Our distribution system is divided up into 6 sampling zones. It is very long because it runs through Machesney Park all the way up through Roscoe. The Illinois Environmental Protection Agency requires that we take 40 monthly samples at various sites throughout our district. This is also based on the population that we serve. These sample sites are located at local businesses, schools, grocery stores, village halls, retail shops, animal clinics, banks, and gas stations located within Machesney Park and Roscoe. Even though the samples are required monthly, we take the samples on a weekly basis, making sure to sample at every sampling zone. This ensures we are getting an adequate representation of our district's water. Another thing we do when taking our samples is to take a chlorine residual from the taps we are sampling. Chlorine residuals are required throughout our district, and again, this ensures that fresh, clean water is available to our customers. Once our samples are taken and all the required paperwork is filled out, our samples are sent to a certified lab where they are analyzed for total coliform and E. coli bacteria. These results are then sent to us and the Illinois EPA. So I hope this was helpful in understanding one of the important things we do here at North Park Water to ensure that you have fresh, clean water every time you open your tap.